Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my work, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot. Leave a comment about what you liked most and enjoy the video. Thanks. The Las Vegas Strip is a stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard in Clark County, Nevada, that is known for its concentration of resort hotels and casinos. The Strip, as it is known, is about 4.2 miles, 6.8 kilometers long, and is immediately south of the Las Vegas city limits in the unincorporated towns of Paradise and Winchester, but is often referred to simply as Las Vegas. Many of the largest hotel, casino, and resort properties in the world are on the Strip. Known for its contemporary architecture, lights, and wide variety of attractions. Its hotels, casinos, restaurants, residential high-rises, entertainment offerings, and skyline have established the Strip as one of the most popular and iconic tourist destinations in the world and is one of the driving forces for Las Vegas's economy. Most of the Strip has been designated as an All-American road. In the North and South Las Vegas Strip routes are classified as Nevada Scenic Byways and National Scenic Byways. Boundaries. Historically, casinos that were not in downtown Las Vegas along Fremont Street sat outside the city limits on Las Vegas Boulevard. In 1959, the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign was built exactly 4.5 miles, 7.2 kilometers, outside the city limits. The sign is currently located in the median just south of Russell Road, across from the location of the now-demolished Klondike Hotel and Casino, and about 0.4 miles, 0.64 kilometers, south of the southernmost entrance to Mandalay Bay. Which is the Strip's southernmost casino. In the strictest sense, the Strip refers only to the stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard that is roughly between Sahara Avenue and Russell Road. A distance of 4.2 miles, 6.8 kilometers. Clark County uses the phrase resort corridor to describe the area including Las Vegas Boulevard between 215 Beltway and Sahara Avenue and surrounding areas. The Sahara is widely considered the Strip's northern terminus. Though travel guides typically extend it to the Strat 0.4 miles, 0.64 kilometers, to the north. Mandalay Bay, just north of Russell Road, is the southernmost resort considered to be on the Strip. The Klondike was the southernmost until 2006, when it was closed. Although it was not included in the Strip on some definitions and travel guides. The Strip includes the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign.